In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Slack everyone efficiently in just about 5 minutes. We all know how crucial effective communication is in our day-to-day work life, and being able to reach everyone at once can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right into it, starting from opening Slack to sending out a message that gets everyone's attention. First, you need to head over to Slack's homepage, open up your preferred web browser, and navigate to slack.com. This is the starting point for setting up any communication within your organization. If you're not already signed into your account, you will need to do that next. Look for the option to sign in with Google. Clicking on this option allows you to use your Google credentials, which can be super convenient if you're already logged into your Google account. This is a great time saver and also adds an extra bit of security since you're using Google's authentication. Once you've signed into your Slack account, you will need to go to your Slack dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub and where all your Slack magic happens. Here you can manage all your channels, direct messages, and notifications. Having a good understanding of your dashboard gives you a better handle on how to make sure your communications are organized and effective. Now the next step is to click on a channel where you wish to notify everyone. Think of a channel as a room where conversations on specific topics take place. Clicking on the channel will open its chat interface, where you can type and see messages related to that specific subject or team. When you're in the channel, you'll need to start by typing the @ symbol. This is crucial because using the @ symbol in Slack is akin to giving a shout out, but there's more to it. Simply typing @ and nothing else won't get the job done. To notify everyone, look for the option that says notify everyone in this channel. This allows you to reach every member present in that channel. Using the notify everyone option is effective in drawing immediate attention to your messages. It's especially useful when you need to inform the whole team about something urgently or if there's an important update they should be aware of. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've now learned how to get everyone's attention on Slack. Remember to use this feature thoughtfully to ensure that it remains effective and doesn't become overwhelming for your teammates. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll be notifying your colleagues effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.